Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best fiberglass tub repair kits that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have HT Home Tinker Tub. If you need a repair kit to repair all fixtures in your bathroom, I recommend this HTHOMETINKER Tube Repair. One kit will serve you for repairing different fixtures like a bathtub, tiles, and sinks, among others. The kit binds materials like fiberglass, acrylic, ceramic, porcelain, gel coat, and enamel materials. So, you can use it to repair damages like chips, scratches, dents, worn and holes. You can use this repair product even while living in the house since it does not have toxic chemical materials. Moving on at number 4, we have Fortivo Tub Repair Kit. Restore the look on your bathtub in case of scratches or crack by using this tub repair kit. The product is white to blend with other parts of the tub. There is no tub damage that this repair kit cannot handle, ranging from cracks, worn outs, and even scratches. The repair kit is made with acrylic materials that easily adhere to other materials like ceramic, fiberglass, and porcelain. So, this tub repair product is recommendable for fixing sinks, countertops, and toilet bathroom tiles. At number 3, we have iBath Tub. If your bathroom has white fixtures such as sinks, bathtubs, and toilets, I recommend this tub repair kit for repair services. The product is made with white color and can adhere to various materials like porcelain, fiberglass, ceramic, and acrylic. This is a cost-saver kit since you will not need to hire a technician to repair dents or holes in your sink and tubs. The kit blends well on drying, so no one can easily identify a repair on the fixture. At number 2, we have Ankita Tub Repair Kits. Anika Tub Repair Kit is a multifunctional sealing kit you can use on tiles and bathtubs. You don't need to replace your tiles or bathtub every time they get a dent or crack since this kit can repair scratches, dents, cracks, and holes on these surfaces. The tub repair kit is compatible with fiberglass, acrylic, ceramic, enameled steel, and cast iron. This tub repair kit is made with quality materials that are leaking and waterproof. And finally at number 1, Borui Trading Tub. Your hands will not contact this tub repair product since it comes with a syringe for application purposes. Even a first-timer user of this tub repair kit can comfortably use it as the instructions are easy to follow. Also, there are minimal ingredients to mix before applying on the surfaces. So, rest assured to have an easy time working with this repair kit. The repair kit is made with quality and waterproof materials to use in indoor and outdoor areas.